Have you ever wondered why you chose one product over another? Or why you feel the need to buy things you don't necessarily need? Well, it all comes down to consumer behavior, the psychology behind our buying decisions. Consumer behavior is the study of how individuals, groups, and organizations select, buy, use, and dispose of goods, services, ideas, or experiences to satisfy their needs and wants. Understanding consumer behavior helps businesses create effective marketing strategies and ultimately drive sales. One of the key factors influencing consumer behavior is motivation. Human beings are driven by both conscious and subconscious motives. Whether it's fulfilling a basic need like hunger or thirst, or satisfying emotional desires, our motives shape our purchase decisions. Perception is another critical aspect of consumer behavior. How we perceive a product or brand plays a significant role in whether we choose to buy it or not. Companies invest heavily in creating positive brand perceptions through advertising, packaging, and endorsements. Social influences also impact our consumer behavior. We are constantly influenced by our peers, family, and society at large. We seek validation and acceptance, and often make buying decisions based on what others are doing or saying. Cognitive factors, such as beliefs, attitudes, and learning, also affect our consumer decisions. Our beliefs about a product or brand, our attitudes towards a particular company, and what we have learned through experience or information all shape our choices as consumers. Last but not least, emotions play a significant role in consumer behavior. From the excitement of a new purchase to the fear of missing out, our emotions can drive impulse buying or influence the brands we are loyal to. Marketers often use emotional appeals to connect with consumers on a deeper level. Understanding consumer behavior helps businesses predict and influence customer choices. By examining the psychology behind consumer decisions, companies can develop products and marketing campaigns that resonate with their target audience. So next time you're about to make a purchase, take a moment to consider the various factors at play. And remember, your choices are not just random, they are influenced by the fascinating world of consumer behavior. Thanks for watching this video on the psychology behind consumer decisions. If you found it interesting, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more eye-opening insights.